Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera and case you coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comment for me in the comment section and share the video. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back. So guys, today we are making palm oil rice or native rice. This is not a regular native rice. This is palm oil rice with a twist. So without wasting much time, let me introduce my ingredients to you. So guys, these are the things I'll be using to prepare this rice. I have my pepper mix. In here I have my scotch bonnet pepper, my bawa, my ginger, garlic, onions and crayfish all blended together. The ginger and garlic in here is optional but I just added it. I love the taste. Okay. And here is my locust beans, also known as iru. I'll be adding it to this rice. It's optional, you can choose not to add it. And here is my chopped onions. So guys, we are going to start now to stir fry our rice. Yes, I'm going to be stir frying this rice first, okay? And to that I'll be going in with my vegetable oil in a dried pot. And once this oil is hot, I will add in my onions. So I'm going to fry these onions for 2 minutes, okay? Until I'm going to fry it for 2 minutes and then I'll add in my rice. So now I'll be adding in my rice and I'm going to be stir frying this rice for 5 minutes, okay? Don't just add your rice there and go and be doing something else. No, keep an eye on the rice, okay? If not, the rice is going to get burnt. So now I'm just going to be stirring the rice and I'll be doing this at intervals. Stir frying your rice will enhance the flavor of the rice, and also when your rice is cooked, it's not going to be together. Your rice is going to come out separately, okay? So that's the essence of stir frying your rice. It enhances the flavor of the rice. So guys, it's 5 minutes later and then I'll be going in with my water. I'll be adding in water to this rice. And then I will go in with my seasoning cube. I'm using the Maggi Niger pot. I'm just going to mix everything together and then I will cover the pot and I will let the rice to cook. So guys, our rice is cooked now. Look how beautiful our rice is looking like. The rice is looking yummy already. So So I'm just going to flip it up, and then we'll start making our native rice properly. If at this point you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and like this video. Okay, click on that like button and leave your comment for me in the comment section. So now I'm just going to bring down this rice, and then we'll start making our native rice. You see how separately the rice came out? That's one of the essence of stir frying your rice. So I'm just going to add in my palm oil in a dried pot. I'm just going to heat up this palm oil. I am not bleaching the oil. I'm just going to allow the oil to get hot. So now I'll be going in with my chopped onions, and then I'll add in my locust beans. I like to add in my locust beans now because it helps with the flavor of your meal. Like, it boosts the flavor of your meal, just like adding in your curry and thyme in the oil, like with the onions. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Try it, you're going to love it. So I'm just going to stir this together, allow to fry for 2 minutes, and then we'll come back. And 2 minutes later, I'll be going in with my pepper mix. I'm going to stir this now, and I will cover the pot and allow the pepper to fry. So guys, our pepper is fried now. I'll be adding in my seasoning cube. I'm going to mix everything together, okay? And then I'll be adding in my fried mackerel fish. I air fried the mackerel fish. My air fried mackerel fish. I'm just going to mix the mackerel fish with this sauce. At this point, guys, I was tempted to eat the rice like this, like white rice and the sauce, but no, they're making palm oil rice. So I just added in my rice, and then I'm just going to mix it with the sauce. Guys, you should try this. This rice is good, like it's so yummy. I want you to try this recipe. I want you to try this particular recipe. You're going to thank me for it. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comment for me in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video. Okay, share this video to your friends. Okay, share this video to your friends. Let me know in the comment section. I hope you'll be trying out this recipe. I want you to try it and come back and give me your feedback. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.